everyone!
Hello!
Here we are doing another exciting adventure at SA Vlogs. And where are we off to, Akshay?
Right, so for those who have been subscribed to us and have been watching our vlogs regularly, you have been seeing our Switzerland road trip vlogs, which are not yet over, but we are putting that on a pause for this week because we are off to Goa! Alright, I just discovered that these two songs go really well together. Hear it out.
Touching on your body while you're pushing on me.
So we are infamously known as people who travel to Goa every monsoon. So right now it's the month of June, and June is known in Maharashtra and all over India as the monsoon season. A lot of people do not prefer traveling to beaches and things like that during monsoon because it's raining and it's a little gloomy. However, we think that it's the best time to travel because a lot of shacks are closed, restaurants are closed, so there are very less amount of people. However, what you do get in the process is very peace, calm and serene greenery. Also, it's the best time to kind of explore a lot of these famous touristy areas without that amount of crowd, and eat yummy food because Goa always has that to offer, and also cheaper hotel rates because we are staying at a very good property, and the prices that we are getting we would never get during peak season. So because of that, we prefer Goa during the monsoons.
I think it's something that we discovered about 4 years back. I think we were working from home, and one fine evening during June in 2021, we just decided let's go to Goa. And that's the first time we discovered Goa during the monsoons, and it's a completely different vibe. And that's the kind of vibe we like. I'm sure you guys have seen our vlogs and would have realized that we are huge nature lovers. We love to travel to places which have very beautiful landscapes, and Goa is definitely one of them. We started around 10 o'clock from Bombay, and we are driving directly to Goa. Now this is the first time that we are traveling via the old Mumbai-Goa highway because there's been a lot of development with regard to the roads. Typically, we usually drive to Pune, take a halt, and then next morning we start and go via the Bangalore highway and take a detour from Nipani or either Belgaum. But this is the first time we are driving out directly from Bombay and driving to Goa. So it's about a 10-hour drive, and we expect to hit Goa hopefully by 9. We've already taken a halt. We've had some lunch again at the same restaurant, our age-old favorite restaurant called Konkan Crown in Mangaon, where we had paneer pakoda, and we had what they refer to as biryani, which was essentially chicken masala with rice. What do you have to say, Sangeeta, about that?
Yeah, I think it's a very quaint little restaurant. Not little, but very quaint. And the food was good. It also came with this kachumbar, which is very famous with Maharashtrian cuisine. So Akshay is driving and I'm the passenger princess. But yeah, we're having a good time, and we'll see you in Goa.
I just want to say you're not a passenger princess. Just 2 vlogs back, we showed how you keep feeding me food while I'm driving. So pretty much you're a driver caretaker.
Yeah, that's what.
But for now, we're going to leave you with some views of what we are seeing here. As Sangeeta said, Maharashtra has beautiful, beautiful views in the months of monsoon. And for those of you who would have watched our Dapoli vlogs, you would know what we are talking about. So, after the beautiful drive from Bombay to Goa, which lasted almost 11 hours, but a very comfortable ride, after all of that, we have finally reached Goa. It's about 10 in the night. So we decided we're going to sign off for the day with just a dinner. We've come to one of our favorite restaurants, Brito's. I think Sangeeta, you'd agree. We've been coming here since 2017 when we first came to Goa.
Very true.
And as you can see, we're right next to the sea. It's a really windy evening, and oops, looks like somebody broke something. Anyway, but it's a really windy evening, and love the vibe of Brito's this time around because we are not here in the peak season. So as a result of that, काफी खाली है संगीता. मतलब हमको कभी भी next to the sea ऐसे seat मिलता नहीं है. So yeah, and we've ordered our things. We've ordered what we usually order. It's a very weird combination. It's something that I like. I've ordered butter naan with chili chicken, and of course egg noodles so that Sangeeta can have the chili chicken. And we've ordered a prawns starter. We've ordered prawns bal chow. This is the first time we are having prawns bal chow, but we are really hopeful that it's going to be really tasty. And yeah, while we were here, we also picked up some cashews. We love the Goan cashews, and also it's tad bit cheaper here compared to Bombay, so it makes sense to pick that up here. So now that the food is here, we're gonna dig in, and this is us signing off for the day.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Well, so as you guys saw, 12 hours later, we were still at Brito's because we loved the food so much yesterday. We went back in there and we ordered the same food all over again.
Yeah, we did.
So we had the prawns, we had the naan, we had the not butter chicken. That's the usual combination with naan, but we had chili chicken and then noodles. And then we are here at this very cute little ice cream parlor, which is in Anjana. It's called Cream Chalk Gelato Italiano. I don't know if you can see.
Gelato place.
Yeah, it's a gelato place, and we happened to discover this some 3-4 years back. We were just driving around and we came across Ashura Khaliya because it's off season, but the gelato is really good. They have quite a lot of variety.
Yeah, they have milk-based gelatos, also slushy-based. So fruits के साथ बहुत सारे हैं, like raspberry, strawberry, passion fruit. So we took the lemon cheesecake, and we are big gelato lovers because we keep going to Italy often, so we love gelatos, and this lemon one is really good.
Yeah.
So we are enjoying it.
Yep. Cheers. Let me finish. It's lovely. So we're going to devour this gelato and also parallelly drive to South Goa, which is the mainstay of our vacation here. We'll tell you more about it once we get there. It's a beautiful, beautiful property. So guys, we have finally reached our resort, and it's almost dark because we took a pit stop in Palolem for some
Shopping!
Yes, and we'll do a shopping haul once we check into our room. But yeah, these are the first sites of the resort we're staying at. This is the Lalit Golf and Spa Resort.
We have been here a couple of times and it's beautiful. So this is not our first time here. And the hospitality is amazing, the food is amazing, and the rooms are spectacular. Also, it has a private beach. So all in all, a beautiful place, and we're really excited.
Yes, and that's the shopping haul.
Yes, so much of shopping we'll show you.
Yes. Chalo.
Let's go.
Let's go. You've been calendared this as well.
Yes.
Hello. It's basically a very old Portuguese sort of a mansion which has been converted into a hotel property, and it's beautiful. It's so antique, it's so rustic and
But they have maintained it so well.
very well maintained.
Like,
I mean,
look
look
at
at
it.
the flooring, look at the ceiling. Look at the ceiling, Sangeeta. Up here.
Yes, yes, yes. The painted glass.
Painted glasswork.
Beautiful.
It has a vibe of itself.
Yeah, yeah. I think it's more gigantic than you can see in the video. Like it's huge.
Very, very huge. ये और ये तो सिर्फ खाली इनका reception area है. Then there's garden, then there's the private beach, there's a golf resort, which we'll show you tomorrow morning because it's already dark. Whew. Okay. All right. Okay, this is our room. So this is just the lobby area of the room. They've got like nice like 2 chairs, sofa kind chairs to like sit, put your shoes on. You've got a nice mirror, and overall really nice. But let me take you to the bedroom. Oh my God! Look at the size of this room.
Yeah, coming from Mumbai, this is like heaven.
Yeah, you feel like a king in this room. You've got the bed, which is bigger than king size, I believe.
Yeah.
And you've got these ottomans at the foot of your bed. You've got the TV, you've got a study table, and then you've got an entire sofa set with another ottoman over there.
I remember we were staying here for like I think 15 days when we came during COVID.
Yeah.
And we used to work here. So me here, Akshay there, and the whole day spent in this room.
Yes. And here is our balcony, which we won't open today because you can't make out too much.
Yeah.
But essentially, this is a sea view room. तो सामने garden है और उसके आगे sea है. Can't make out anything right now, I guess, but
Not really.
not really. That's the garden. But what we'll do is tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, we're gonna give you. Oops, didn't see that. We're gonna give you a shot of the sea view that we have here. So yeah, that's a cute room. The bathroom it also is extremely nice and luxurious, if I may say.
And all this wooden. Oh.
Yes, we've got a bathtub. So you can, if you're planning to take a nice bath, you can get your bath salts and just lay there.
Akshay is saying this because we have done that. So we already got our bath salts and we are going to soak here in some time.
Yes. And yeah, look at this entire vibe of this place. It's so antique yet I don't know what's the right word. It's still
It's like modern yet antique.
yeah. You almost feel like this sense of not in present times, and you're transported back to olden days, but it has its modern charm as well, I guess.
Beautiful.
So after that very sumptuous breakfast, Sangeeta, हम लोग तो जाके फिर दोबारा सो गए.
Yeah, I think the whole point of coming here is to relax. So we did just that.
Yeah, we took a nice slumber and now it's afternoon and we've decided कि अभी हम थोड़ा property घूमेंगे और हम आपको यहाँ के व्यूज़ दिखाएंगे. It's really really nice and lush green because of monsoons.
We are in a very relaxed attitude. Like phones हम side में रख के we're just spending time with each other and just in general I think Mumbai life is very very hectic. So you never get time
Yeah.
to like sit and spend time.
Yes. तो अब हम जा रहे हैं इस रिजॉर्ट का प्राइवेट बीच है. तो we're gonna go to the private beach.
I think we are lost. We're just roaming here and there.
Property ही इतना बड़ा है that it's so easy to just get lost over here. Like for instance, look at this very pretty gazebo right in the middle of the resort. Like you can just go here, sit and look out to Mother Nature.
Yeah, I remember few years back when we had come and I was big on meditation, sitting on that like bench and just meditating for a long time.
Yeah.
It's a good spot.
It's a great property. You can just get lost over here. It's huge. There's a golf course also, and we can see golf carts and people golfing, if that's the term. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं beach. We'll show you. It's this resort's private beach because it's called the Kankon Beach, and the Kankon Beach के entire stretch पे ही ये resort है. तो in a way और कोई वहाँ typically आता नहीं है. So it's just for the hotel guests.
Which is nice which means it's not crowded.
हाँ.
And it's just a good spot.
Correct, exactly. तो चलते हैं बीच पे. Sangeeta, it looks extremely windy. Yeah.
I think there is like a danger sign you see by the Coast Guard. So today, I mean the waves look extremely choppy.
That's true.
Yeah, so there is don't cross this line. So technically it's not safe.
Yeah.
Let's not venture very deep inside.
Yeah.
It's sunny yet cloudy. Good combination.
It's so pretty and so
Yeah.
serene.
It is. It is damn nice.
तो क्या आपको लगता है यहाँ पे शैक में मैगी और भजिया कहीं मिल रहा होगा?
नहीं, उन्होंने बोला ये शैक्स है सिर्फ फुट मसाज के लिए.
Oh.
जो नहीं कराना है हमें because we have had a very bad experience.
Yes.
Just before our Switzerland trip, Akshay got a body massage done and then आपने देखा होगा हमारे स्विट्जरलैंड व्लॉग में that his back completely gave way. So हम
Yeah.
कहीं से भी नहीं कराने
Those
वाले.
3 days of Switzerland have been the most painful days on any vacation for me. So now we're going to spend some time on the beach. We'll sit and just enjoy the wind and the waves. So after witnessing that beautiful sunset, we are now on the road going to one of our favorite restaurants. It's a bit of a drive from the resort itself, but given that this side of Goa, South Goa, is rather non-commercial, The roads are rather empty and it makes for a beautiful, beautiful drive even in the night.
Yeah, I mean, it's very pretty. Of course, I'm also a little scared because it's a long drive and the roads are usually dark. Like right now, there are a bit of street lights, or else it's been little dark. But we love this place and we had to come here. So, yeah.
Yeah, so we are going to a restaurant called Martin's Corner, which is in Benolim. Something we found, I think, two Goa trips ago, and it from the very first instance, it has become like our favorite place to go in South Goa.
It's a very famous one. I think everybody knows about it. One of the oldest restaurants of Goa, and also like in every possible best places to eat, India Today or any of those, they always have Martin's Corner. I think it's one of the cult favorites. It's also famous because apparently it's Sachin Tendulkar's favorite restaurant. It's quite popular that way, but it's not only popular but also has very good food. So yeah.
And yeah, I think Sangeeta, what you love the most there is their mulled wine.
Yeah. The mulled wine is yum, and
But
yeah.
question for you, is the mulled wine better than what you had in Switzerland during our December trip?
Of course not. I think. I think that was something else altogether. It was like a portion of life, but
Yeah.
but it's equally good, I think.
Yeah, and I stand corrected. It was not in Switzerland. It was in France. What is that place? Strasbourg.
Yeah,
It was in
Strasbourg.
Strasbourg
Correct.
during Christmas celebrations that we had. That
Yeah.
so tasty that mulled wine
That was so good. Like the taste of cinnamon could not have tasted better.
Yes. But for now, we are going to Benolim to figure out if we can get a table at Martin's Corner. Fingers crossed that we do. Oh, they're playing your favorite song. Wando Wando. So we finally got a place, Sangeeta.
Yes, we did, and we got the best spot because it's like facing all the music and everything.
Yeah.
So it's nice.
Hello. So it's a beautiful vibe. I mean, this place, एकदम गोवन feels है, एकदम ठंडी ठंडी हवा. Too
And
good.
then the music is amazing, and so is the food. So
Yes.
usually, if you get the vibe, you don't get the food. Here, it's like everything.
And they were playing your favorite song right now.
Yes, I love that song. So Akshay, tell us, what did we order?
Yeah, we ordered golden fried prawns, which are basically prawns marinated in batter and fried in oil, which is really tasty. And then yes, we ordered prawns curry and rice, which is like Goan prawn curry. It's in like a tomato-based sort of a gravy, and really
And kokum.
and kokum, yes, which really adds to the flavor. So steamed rice and kokum, steamed rice and prawns curry gravy. And we've ordered drinks. We've ordered something which has got a controversial name. It's called Pussyfoot, but it has orange. It's orange and strawberry based basically. And we've ordered one Coca-Cola. And then for dessert, we are gonna be having bebinka with ice cream.
Yes, and also French fries, Akshay.
How could I forget French fries? Yes, French fries for the win. So yes, French fries are also coming. So yeah, gonna be a very sumptuous dinner. So this is what we have ordered for now. अब देखते हैं, depending on stomach का capacity कितना और खा सकते हैं या नहीं खा सकते, we'll order more. So let's dig in. Food is here. now. There was one sumptuous meal that we had, right?
Yes, it was yum.
It was so tasty and so filling. And kudos to the management. I think our waiter, Ramesh,
Yeah.
sweetest guy. We gave him a feedback on the prawns curry. We told him that the prawns curry had very few pieces of prawn. And we just gave it as a feedback for the next time. And he got us more prawns and rice.
Yeah.
And we didn't even ask for it. And he just said, "Nahi sir, ye aapke liye." And we were like, "That's really sweet of you."
Yes.
How was the coconut pudding? We didn't order it initially. You added it towards the end.
Yeah, I had it a couple of years back. It's one of the yummiest thing. Like if somebody doesn't want to have like an ice cream, because it's very less on sweetness. But it had chunks of like the coconut meat and all. It was yum. It was very good.
So that's a very strong recommendation from us on the desserts. That's bebinka with ice cream and coconut pudding. And one more recommendation. We're not sure whether we've captured it on video, but if you're here, do try out their lemon pickle.
Yes, lemon pickle is yum yum yum.
Yes.
And last time we were here, we actually packed I think half a kg of lemon
Yes.
pickle, which we keep eating at home. It's still there in the fridge. So I mean, it's a big recommendation.
Yes. So with that, we are signing off for today. We've been promising you with regard to our shopping haul and the view from our balcony, but you will get that in a few seconds from now.
As promised, we'll show you all the shopping that I did. So there are quite a few number of bags that we got. So I'll start with this one because it's already...
Considering the length of this video, we have moved the shopping haul to another vlog, which is already live on our channel. So go watch it.
Good morning, everyone. So as promised, we're going to begin the day by showing you the view from our balcony once this balcony opens. So yeah, that's the view, guys. We've got a beautiful garden ahead of us and then the private beach of the resort, and you can see the waves crashing in. And yeah, overall it's a beautiful vibe. Sangeeta, why don't you come a little ahead and give us a panoramic view of what we can see from here. Yeah, you can hear the waves crashing. I don't know if it's capturing in our mics, but...
And then there is like this cute seating area where you can just spend some time.
like this.
Like
And you can have your glass of beer and wine. I think we did that once when we were here. We were standing here with you had a
Yeah.
wine glass, I had beer, and
we're not big drinkers, hence not
Yeah.
doing it this time. But we came here for the rain, Sakshay. Where is the rain?
I think it'll be here in the afternoon. I have a strong hunch. Swimming pool aa gaye hain. We're gonna spend some time in the pool. P.S. Neither of us know swimming.
Yes, and it's very sunny, and there are 0 people in the pool.
lovely.
This we have never seen
Yeah.
because I think it's sunny, so people are just
So we basically have the entire pool to ourselves.
Yes.
Sangeeta, you're glowing. Your skin is glowing.
Is it
Yes.
nice?
चलिए pool में चलते हैं. Oh, this feels so nice. Alright, we've had a lot of fun together here. अब हमने अपना I have booked a golf session for me. We are on a golf resort, तो ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि हम लोग golf ना try करें. So this will be my first session playing golf. So we'll be heading to that now. ये ठीक है? पहले एक बार ऐसे ही ट्राई करता हूँ. ठीक है?
Okay.
Connection is only very hard.
Yeah.
Okay. First one.
Yes. Let's go, Akshay.
अरे रे. कैसा था शॉट? अच्छा था.
Impressed. Fantastic.
The first shot, first ball.
Yes. Go for it.
Your left arm is supposed to be straight, right arm to be flexible, and then when you swing, your wrist should not swing, your shoulder has to swing. इतना ज्ञान दे दिया, अब स्ट्रेस हो रहा है कि ये लगेगा नहीं.
आराम से. We have all the time.
किधर गया ये?
Straight गया.
Oh! ये था, देखो आप हो तो हो रहा है.
Akshay, how was it?
Very good. It's very intensive because I'm sweating. 25 shots, जिसमें से मैंने 12 shots straight मारे, बाकी shots इधर उधर गए, and the main.
I can see beads of sweat. Oh
Yes.
my god.
The mainstay of the game is that आप center shots मारो. मैंने 12 मारे हैं. Considering I don't play cricket, I don't play any sport. मैंने 12 shots भी straight मारे हैं, is a big deal. But it was a lot of fun. The trainer, his name is Sanjay ji. He is so good. He was there for all my 25 shots, and through every shot he was helping me, guiding me, instructing me. And I didn't think I'll get such a good grip of the game the first time I play it.
Yeah, Akshay, you did such a good job.
Yes. This was a lot of fun, and it's a recommendation if you're staying at the Lalit, and I think it costs some 12. I just paid and came. It's around 1200 rupees. It's not very expensive. 1200 rupees for 25 shots. So do consider it. Do give it a try, and yeah. Moving on. Alright, I just discovered that these two songs go really well together. Hear it out.
Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you end the party, we could do this all week. We be dancing till tomorrow, go to where we won't sleep. चम 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 के सितारे बरसी, सजरा सवेरा मेरे तन बरसे, गजरा अंधेरा तेरी जलती लो, कतरा मिला जो तेरे दर पर से, ओ मौला मौला कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन. पल का उठावे दे हनेरे घट दे, उंगड़ा चपा के तू धनक फिर दी, कि वे रब ने दो नैना उते नीलम जड़े, चम 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 के सितारे वर. जब कहीं पे कुछ नहीं भी नहीं था, वही था वही था वही था वही था. जब कहीं पे कुछ नहीं भी नहीं था, वही था वही था वही था वही था. कुन पाया कुन कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन.
So now we are off to a restaurant here for dinner. It's called Sumaya's Authentic Goan Cuisine. That's the name of the restaurant.
It's the last dinner.
In Goa. Yes.
Yes, because we are driving back tomorrow. So for the last day, we thought we'll eat some authentic fish and curry Goan style. So that's where we are going.
Yes, and it's not much of a drive. It's right next to us, about 2 kilometers away. It's in Palolem. तो जल्दी से जाते हैं and we'll show you what we tried there. Hope you guys are excited. Let's go.
प्रॉन थाली है, उसमें क्या क्या आएगा?
उसमें प्रॉन्स, रावा फ्राई, फिश मसाला फ्राई, रोटी, राइस, पिकल, पापड़, सलाद,
और वो जो प्रॉन करी जो होता है वो आएगा, गोवन प्रॉन करी किस में आएगा? इसमें आएगा थाली में, ठीक है। एक प्रॉन्स थाली और उसमें कुछ सब्जी वगैरह भी रहेगा, ठीक है। सोल कड़ी भी रहेगा, चलेगा। तो एक प्रॉन्स थाली। अक्षय?
हाँ, मैंने उनको ऑलरेडी बोल दिया है, एक चिली चिकन और फ्राइज।
चौनक कौन सा फिश होता है?
सिपास व्हाइट स्नैपर।
नाइस।
अच्छा
ना सुरमई नहीं है?
बट सुरमई का आपको पता ही होगा, थोड़ा मीट उसका हार्ड रहता है, ठीक है, और ये ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है।
ठीक है, तो एक रवा फ्राई चनक।
रवा फ्राई
Yes,
और
रवा।
थाली को चेंज करना है।
हाँ, थाली को चेंज करना है, प्रॉन करी और राइस। डन? थैंक यू सो मच।
Fries is a default order that we make wherever we go.
It's yum. So yum. Put salt.
ध्यान से देखिए इस चेहरे को, यही वो चेहरा है जिसके लिए फ्राइज ऑर्डर किया जाता है एट एवरी रेस्टोरेंट।
ध्यान से देखिए इस चेहरे को, जहाँ भी जाता है chili chicken dry is a default. So this is like my default, this is like his default forever.
Ever in Goa. But it should be very tasty. Let me taste
Yeah,
and
it
tell
must
you.
be yum. Should. Good?
Very nice and saucy. Sorry, it's hot. Very nice and saucy. Very good, you should try it. So Sangeeta, we've suddenly been engulfed in darkness.
Yeah, there's no electricity for 10 minutes,
Yeah.
say, and people are very chill about it.
Yeah.
Susegato, just be the
Yeah.
way, the slow pace of life.
Yes.
So we are also chilling. I'm sure Mumbai में होते तो
Yeah.
people would not be happy कि restaurant में light नहीं है. But people are pretending like nothing is wrong. So we are also pretending like nothing is wrong.
Yeah, we are munching on our food, which we've almost finished. We
And
are wait-
अंधेरे में ही नान भी आ गया because उसके लिए electricity नहीं लगता है.
Yes.
तवा is running.
Yes.
So they're also eating.
Yes. ये पीछे जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, ये भी थोड़ी देर तक नहीं था, लेकिन ये आ गया है।
ओह, मतलब फेज होता है ना, याद है हमारे मतलब होम टाउन में ऐसा होता था कि फेज 1 का आ गया, फेज 2 का आएगा. I think that's the case.
Don't you keep complaining about how I don't take you to candlelight dinners?
Yes. So it's suddenly turned into a candlelight dinner.
Yeah. Are you happy now? Oh.
Yay, electricity is back.
Shortest candlelight dinner ever.
Ever.
ये आ गया आपका चनक फिश।
Yes.
खा के बताइए कैसा है।
Looks yum. Okay. It's yum.
It's yum.
It's very yum actually.
Mm-hmm.
But this chutney is not pudina. But how will pudina go with fish? No.
Okay. कैसा है संगीता?
Yum.
It's a little different, you were saying.
Yeah, it's not the coconut gravy,
हाँ.
the one that we had yesterday. This also has coconut, but coconut oil.
Okay.
Nice it is.
Okay. So this is more tomato-based onion gravy one,
Yeah.
but it still is yum, no? Let me also
Doesn't
taste
have
it.
tomato. I think it just has spices and
Nice.
kothmeer.
Sangeeta, is this what we are ending the day with?
Yes, Magnum Classics. So for all the OG people who know, in one of our international vlogs, we had told that India में original नहीं मिलता है, बाकी सारे flavors मिलते हैं. So we have finally figured out that the original is available. So people who know which vlog it was, please let us know in the comment section below. And now we have found the classic we are going to eat. Also, Akshay, the classic here is cheaper than Mumbai. It's for 70 rupees. Mumbai में 99 का मिलता है.
Correct.
So, cheers.
Yeah. Give me mine.
This is yours.
Oh, this is mine.
Yes.
Oh, give it to me. Okay. Come.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So टूटा हुआ हमेशा your partner gets C, I get the perfect room.
Okay, we have to just take our car a little ahead. I think we're blocking traffic. So with this, I had a sort of a moment in my head where I wanted to speak, and then my mind was also like, first eat the damn Magnum because it's so tasty. So, yeah. So with that, we've come almost to the end of this vlog. So yeah, it's been an amazing trip in Goa. Sangeeta?
It's been awesome.
Yeah.
It was a very short trip. We've never done such a short Goa trip because you need time to kind of unwind. We have seen all of Goa, so there's nothing new to see, so to say. But हम यहाँ पे आते हैं just to like chillax. थोड़ा कम time था, but still feeling relaxed and had a good time.
Yeah.
And that marks the end of this vlog. We really hope you found it helpful and that you would be planning your Goa trip very soon. We'll be back with our Swiss vlogs from next week. Until then,
Toodles!